You vacuuming?
Get a good vacuum going.
What about the other piece?
The attachment?
Gonna put a new one on?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, try again. Uh-oh. Are you gonna vacuum the bed? Okay. Okay, ready?
You need your upholstery
Ready?
brush.
Go. Go. Oh, you're vacuuming.
Better get a good vacuum going.
Do it some more. Do it some more.
Got
Mmm, good job. You're cleaning it all up. Yeah, you're vacuuming the bed nice and clean. Just like Poppy did, huh? That one,
Yeah,
yeah.
you're
You're
taking
gonna
out
get
the
the other
attachment.
one? You're gonna get the other attachment? That's the better one, huh? Here, vacuum up this lint. Yeah, that's good vacuum sounds you're making. Mm. That sounds just like when the vacuum's turned on. Are you vacuuming up the floor? Are you vacuuming the bed? Yeah, you're vacuuming it. You're gonna get all the dirt up in there? All the broccoli?
All done?